Hey friends, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are drawing Kuromi as a girl, so let's start. First we're going to start with the face. So we're going to make a line coming up. And I'm gonna connect these two lines together. Like that, okay. Now we're going to make like the hair. This is like the part of her hair. And this is a little skull like Kuromi has. And now we're gonna draw little ponytails. And connect these together. There we go. Now we're going to make like the face. Some eyelashes. And these are like the eyes. Okay, not bad. This is the nose. And this is the mouth. She's kind of, not in a good mood. Yeah, she's like in a mischievous mood. Okay, now we're going to make like her body. So a little tiny neck with like this weird shape, and make something like that. Okay, now we're going to make like a skirt. There we go. This is like a little belt. We're gonna color in some of these, things. Okay, now we're gonna make heart in like this type of direction to make like those designs on the shoulders. Yep, it's definitely what that is. And oh, her hair looks so cute. Looks very like chibi. Yeah. Okay. But we're gonna extend this and make, oh my god, the nails are so like preppy, but also like monster vibes. I don't know. I'm still scared of monsters. Obviously, I'm still a kid, okay? I'm just like 10 years old. Okay, now we're going to make like the legs. Like that. I don't know why I made that one like kind of short, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be fine. Now let's connect these two together. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to make like the shoes. And we're gonna make leggings. These are like net socks. So I'm gonna draw them. There we go. And yeah, these can connect these. And our drawing is complete. That's it. And if you like this drawing, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.